So it was raining. I thought it stopped. Turned to snow. Turn on the heat. Wow. The snow's starting to stick a little bit to the trees and stuff. I think I should get out there. It's turning more and more to rain by the second. Need a haircut so bad. You have to stay. I'm telling you, the snow and mountains go together like peanut butter and jelly. Those campers are really having tough luck, man. It rained all yesterday and then they're waking up to snow today. So the plan was to cook outside, and we might be able to have a really Colorado day that starts off with snow in the mountains and it ends with a nice campfire and cooking over the fire yet tonight. That is a cold sight. Come on, let's load up. Come on, it's cold. Let's go. So I think we're gonna go back in the van, do some video editing. It's just so beautiful out here. The snow really adds to it. Golly, that is just so cool. Guess he's gonna go say hi to the neighbors, I guess. I think we're gonna make our way back into the van. It's beautiful out here. I'm glad that I got out in the snow for a little bit. I need to get a video uploaded. It's Saturday. I haven't uploaded a video since last Sunday, so I need a video uploaded by tomorrow. And we have really bad internet service here, so it's gonna take all day and all night to upload a video. So I need to get that thing uploading ASAP. Here we go, recall test. Cassie, come. Good girl. Load up. We're doing a little bit of training here. Cassie's really lost a lot of her training skills. Kissy, go back. Nope. Back. Nope. Back. Good. Sit. Good. Back. Good girl. Come sit. Up. Good girl. Sit. Good. 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 Here. Eat. Okay. Stay. You're going to come up. Good girl. Good. Sit. Eat. Good girl, Kissy. It's so blue. God, I wish Cassie could go off leash. I'm so jealous of that. No, no. No, 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 no. The dog was really starting to bug me, but she just laid down. I probably am ruining it by pulling out my phone and recording, because that gets her amped up every time. Yep. Damn it. She's like, who are you talking to? You talking to him about me? I heard those people like me more than they like you. Actually, it's true. You are the star of the channel, but you need to get out of my face so we can get this video uploaded. We're down a little bit. Probably use a couple of gallons. Pretty hyped on it. See how it works. On the dot. Good sit, paw. Good paw, good girl. 20 minutes to render. Now we're gonna get it uploading. And then once that video is uploading, it's gonna take a long while since we're out in the middle of the forest. And we're gonna potentially start Googling and putting together our hobo dinner over the fire. And I'm definitely not going to the store today. So we might have hobo dinner today. Maybe run to the store on the e-bike tomorrow. and then do a big old meal over the fire. Corn, chicken, taters, asparagus, potato salad. But that'll probably be in the next video. Cook over the fire, which I've almost never really done before, so I'm really excited to do that. We're getting out for our first little walk of the morning since it's done raining. Cassie's pretty fired up about it. I'm so jealous of these guys, man. Oh, that sounded like a wheelie. This is gonna be so epic. Oh, shit. Oh. I told her, Jesus, just like getting clapped on top. Chaos. I told her somebody on the internet. I could see a big old storm cloud rolling in. So I called Cassie in, and right when she got inside, holy cow, it is storming. It's raining sideways. I came in out of nowhere. Hailstorm and rainstorm. It's just the rain, Cass. I'm just recording the rain. It's coming down. Well, that kind of looks like maybe possibly a baby moose. Oh, yeah, where's mama? Is that a small moose or? That's tough, Sam.
Compared to the ones I saw.
That's definitely a smaller moose.
Yeah, dude.
Dude, seriously, where is mama? Cause that's like the scariest shit in Colorado.
Might be on something. The taco meat out over there.
Ooh.
Right by. Wow. Right by
Dude, that's crazy. There, it's just chilling.
Damn.
I've been saying over and over, I'm like, this is the moose territory. Like that marsh, like, I gotta see one. Just talked to the group of campers that we've been looking at getting snowed on and rained on over there. Super cool group of dudes, and they're definitely pretty bummed about having a rainy, snowy weekend for camping. They drove like over 2 hours to get up here and getting rained out. Spaz, sit, ready? Ready? Nope, ready? Go get a toy! She didn't even get it. Go, Cassie, go! Go, Cassie, go! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. So cool, we gotta see a moose standing out talking to those guys. Gotta share the moment with them. So we're currently hunting up some wood, and there seems like there's plenty of dry wood around here. A bunch of dead little stuff like this. It's definitely a little moist. Worst comes to worst, if we can't get the fire going good, we can just cook over the stove, of course. Picture this. Oh, that's my dog. Cassie, were you yelling at me? Let's make sure the video's uploading. And we're gonna use this little baby right here and a whole bunch of cardboard to get the fire going. What you doing? Huh? What you doing? You got a stick? You got a stick? Whoa, 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 whoa. Well, that was a fail. I think I'm calling it quits on the fire. We're just gonna cook inside. It's already like 7 o'clock, sun's setting. I need to get a bed of coals, and then the potatoes take an hour to cook. So I'll be out in the cold and dark cooking supper, and there's just no reason to do that. I stopped smelling smoke and looked back and saw there's a nice little fire going. I just don't think I'm gonna be able to get a fire going big enough to be able to cook potatoes. All right, I just chopped up these potatoes. We got the pan heating up with some oil in it here. I was gonna do onions with, but I'm not gonna anymore. And then we're just gonna put a little bit of garlic in, and the broccoli, and sausage. We've got food cooking right meow, but I need my tripod. Oh, it looks like storm's rolling in on us. The smell of supper is amazing. It smells very garlicky and sausagey. Slightly smells like a broccoli. So she's just a sizzling. I'm gonna have to stir it here any second, but I wanted to get my tripod.
Cassie! Cassie, no!
She don't listen to shit. Cassie's out there digging a hole. Cassie's calm before dinner. Same with the weather. All right, our simple hobo dinner is done. It looks really good actually. And I didn't put any seasonings on it at all. I just put a lot of garlic in there. So I think it'll be pretty good. My mindset with loading it full of garlic was I've never cooked a meal and thought, I put too much garlic in this meal. Damn, Cassie's shredded. Cassie, you look ripped with this lighting. Nice, good job. Sunset's looking pretty good on the mountains. Watching some hoonigan, this versus that drag racing. Just turned on the heater because it's cold. I've just been chilled like all day. Woke up to the rain and it's probably mid 40s right now or so. The video is just now getting uploaded. It's pretty crazy. Got the heat blasting directly on my feet. Feels freaking awesome after having cold feet all day. I think me and the long dog are winding down for the weekend. Look at her, she takes up like the entire bed when she stretches out like that. Big hound dog. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked the video, click the like button. It helps our channel grow. And if you hadn't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button to see uploads from Cassie and I in the future as we travel across the US. Comment what your favorite song or artist is at the moment to let me know that you watched the video till the end. And if you guys want to show a next level of support, there's a link in the description to the Etsy store for some self-designed t-shirts and hats. Thank you everybody who's already ordered a t-shirt or a hat. We got a new line of merch coming soon, so get it now if you want it. And a major thank you to all the members of the channel listed on the screen right now. If you guys want to look into supporting in that way, there's a join button below the video. Otherwise, I appreciate you guys watching till the end and just interacting with the video. I hope you have a good day, and I'll catch you in the next one.